Hi guys, it's Tanya M. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new content. So today's review is gonna be by a new human hair company that I've reviewed on this platform. This company is called Elfin Hair, and I'll be reviewing their PU clip ends. So these are the clip-ins. They sent me two 20-inch bundles. Not bundles, but they sent me two 20-inch packs, okay? This is the first, just showing you what it looks like. This is what the hair looks like. It is Yaki texture. I chose this one because I feel like it'll be a best match for my hair when it's straightened and it's natural state. This is a natural color. So this is what the clip-ins look like. I love that it's totally flat, so it's not going to be bulky when you place the clip-ins in the hair. And then these are two short pieces that I'll probably be placing like in the front. So in each pack you have the different sizes. You have this one that has 4 clip-ins on the left. So that's one. And then you have 3 that have 3 clip-ins on the left, so it is shorter. And then you have 2 that have a single clip-in on the left. So you're probably most likely going to need 2 packs for your install. Okay guys, so I'm back. My hair is pretty long, but it's really thin. That's just, you know, part of it. Aging in my family along with the gray hairs, but we're going to move ahead with the clip-ins because this is a great way to rock your natural tresses but add some volume if that's what you're looking for. So of course you want to part out the first section of the back of your head, and it doesn't have to be perfect because you're just gonna like put the clip-ins in. So come in, you can kind of like hold your hair out of the way of each section. So I'm gonna put like a 3-prong one in there. What you want to do too is you kind of want to tease the root, and because my hair is really thin and I don't have a teasing brush. This is not a normal teasing brush. This is just a rat tail comb, but it does kind of work the same. So you kind of like want to tease it to where it's kind of puffy at the root, and it gives something for your natural hair to hold on to. I have mine laid out on the bed. You can cut it. So I'm trying to see if 2 would be work. Well, okay, so yeah, 2 is gonna work fine. Okay, so we're gonna go back and clip it in like so. So that's our first section. I have my flat iron on. That way I can kind of like smooth it and blend it. I saw some people like braid the back section. I don't know. I don't know. That's just weird to me. But you're gonna go ahead and move on to the next section. And of course your sections can be bigger. They don't have to be like super skinny.
Hey guys, I'm just going to do a voiceover from here on out. I'm going to continue to section out the hair and tease the hair and then apply the tracks. As I get higher on my head, I will use like the 3-prong and then the 4-prong. So it's basically you're just guessing, not guessing, but you know, you're measuring as you go to see which clip-in section that you need at that point. As you watch this video, I want to shout out my own personal beauty brand, which is 1111 Beauty. I sell 100% real mink lash strips. The pair that I will be wearing at the end of the video is a pair called Mariah. I have lash strips that match all types of eye shapes. If you would like a consultation, please hit me up in the DM on my beauty page, my beauty Instagram page, or business Instagram page. That will be linked in the description box below. I also sell wigs that I reviewed if you want to purchase them at a discounted price, which is tanyam.bigcartel.com, and that link will be posted down below also. And I do have an Amazon storefront for any items that you see me using in the videos that I do post. They will be located in my Amazon storefront, so you can, check that out below. So at this point, I'm just sectioning out the rest of the back of my head. And now I'm like, okay, now it's time to go to the front, because I did it at a point where I just don't want to leave too much. I don't want to go too far up at the top in the back, because then the tracks will show. So now I'm like smoothing the hair down, and I'm working on the side. So that's when I use the one clip-in sections, and I'm just teasing and applying that. What you don't see here is that my camera cut off, so I did apply 3 in the front, but you only see me applying 2. But yes, I did apply 3, as you can see. This hair is awesome. It looks so natural. It looks like my natural hair, especially with that is the light Yaki. This is the only company that I saw so far that provided light Yaki extensions. So yeah, anyway, stay tuned for my thoughts.
Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the finished results. Let me straighten my camera. My camera cut off, so I did add 2 more 1-inch pieces, or 1 clip pieces right up here. So 1, 2, 3 at the top. So yeah, this is how the finished results look. It blends so well with my natural hair. I'm so glad I chose this texture. You do have different textures to choose from, like Yaki. I think they have like some curlies, straight, all of that, like body wave. I chose to go with the light Yaki because I was like, light Yaki. Usually they have Yaki and then like the silky, and I'm like, my hair is neither. So I'm more of a light Yaki type of texture girl. This is very much easy to apply. It looks natural. Like, look how long the 20-inch goes down to. I am so in love with these clip-ins. I get to wear my real hair with a little bit of volume and fullness now. So it's like a sew-in. And like, yeah, look, even if I like do this, like you can't tell. Like you can see a clip-in right here, but that's just because I didn't push it back far enough. But I basically left like this perimeter out and then clipped them in behind that. Just like try to make it look as natural as possible. I can even like just twirl it up and wear her up, because my natural hair, is out in the back. But yes. Thanks for watching. The link will be in the description box. There is also a $10 off discount code, EMM. That'll be in the description box. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll let your girl. Bye.